The 2026 PhantomStrike is emerging as one of the most talked about next-generation aerial combat platforms, representing a bold leap in aviation technology and modern warfare philosophy. Designed to dominate future skies, PhantomStrike blends extreme stealth, artificial intelligence, and multi-role adaptability into a single, highly lethal aircraft. Unlike traditional fighter jets that focus on speed or firepower alone, PhantomStrike is built around the concept of total battlefield control, making it a symbol of how air combat is evolving in the mid-2020s and beyond. At first glance, the PhantomStrike's design feels almost unreal. Its smooth, angular body eliminates unnecessary edges, reducing radar reflections to near invisibility. Advanced composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings allow it to operate deep inside hostile airspace without being detected. Every curve and surface is engineered with stealth in mind, proving that the aircraft is not just fast or powerful, but also incredibly smart in how it avoids threats. This design philosophy ensures that PhantomStrike can strike targets before enemies even realize it is present. Powering the 2026 PhantomStrike is a next-generation adaptive engine system capable of shifting between high-speed interception and fuel-efficient cruising. This allows the aircraft to maintain supercruise speeds without afterburners, giving it both speed and endurance advantages. Whether performing long-range patrols or sudden strike missions, PhantomStrike adapts instantly to mission requirements. Its engine technology also reduces heat signatures, further enhancing stealth and survivability in contested airspace. One of the most revolutionary aspects of PhantomStrike is its AI-assisted flight and combat management system. The aircraft does not replace the pilot, instead, it works alongside them as an intelligent partner. This system analyzes thousands of data points per second, including enemy movements, missile threats, weather conditions, and mission objectives. It suggests optimal maneuvers, prioritizes targets, and can even take temporary control in extreme combat situations. This human-machine teaming dramatically reduces pilot workload and increases decision-making speed, a critical advantage in modern aerial warfare. PhantomStrike is designed as a true multi-role platform. It can seamlessly switch between air-to-air combat, deep strike missions, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance without major reconfiguration. Its internal weapons bays carry a wide range of smart missiles, precision-guided bombs, and next-generation hypersonic weapons. By keeping weapons internal, the aircraft maintains its stealth profile while delivering devastating firepower. This flexibility makes PhantomStrike valuable not just in full-scale wars, but also in deterrence missions and rapid response operations. Situational awareness is another area where the 2026 PhantomStrike excels. Its sensor fusion system combines data from radar, infrared sensors, satellite links, and unmanned drones into a single, clear battlefield picture. The pilot sees the battlespace in real time through an advanced helmet-mounted display that feels more like augmented reality than a traditional cockpit. This level of awareness allows PhantomStrike to act as a command hub in the sky, coordinating with allied aircraft, ground forces, and naval units. In addition to combat performance, PhantomStrike reflects a shift toward network-centric warfare. The aircraft can control and collaborate with autonomous wingman drones, extending its reach and multiplying its effectiveness. These drones can perform scouting, electronic jamming, or even direct attack roles, while PhantomStrike remains at a safe distance. This approach reduces risk to human pilots and redefines how air superiority is achieved. From a strategic perspective, the 2026 PhantomStrike is not just an aircraft, it is a message. It signals technological dominance and readiness for future conflicts where speed, stealth, and information control matter more than sheer numbers. Its presence alone can alter the balance of power in a region, acting as both a deterrent and a rapid response solution. In conclusion, the 2026 PhantomStrike represents the future of aerial combat. By combining stealth, adaptive performance, artificial intelligence, and multi-role capability, it sets a new standard for what a modern fighter can achieve. As air forces around the world look toward the next era of warfare, PhantomStrike stands out as a machine built not just to fight wars, but to control the skies with intelligence, precision, and unmatched dominance.